cats and kittens. Long time no see. Sorry, we've been busy. We're formulating.
We're
plotting.
We're evolving.
We're strategizing.
Lots of things.
Maybe a little bit of crying, you know, it's whatever.
That has happened once or twice.
There's things going on, okay? But we want to check back into you, show you some of our latest wrap adventures we've had over the past couple of months. Our most recent trade show we went to, which was Wrapscon Indianapolis 2022.
Yeah.
This is our second year back at Indy. Always a fun time.
Always a fun time, definitely.
So nice. You guys know we link up with Muto America and Fellers. We were in the Muto booth and we did a full BMW Z4.
This was the Z4, yeah.
Z4 wrap.
Supra. Just kidding.
We did a full BMW wrap for one of our super fans, Shannon, who actually met us at Indy last year. She came up just to meet us when she found out we were there.
Yeah, she's been following us for a long time, but she finally met us last year, or the year before at Indy.
Yeah. She's like a super fan status. She has Great Danes and like a farm, like so cool.
She's awesome.
So we did a custom wrap with her and Wrapsesh Tik Designs. Avery Dennison was the sponsor for that demo. We had a really cool matte metallic charcoal print. It was like a patriotic theme. Her
like
husband's,
a firefighter.
Her husband's a firefighter, so we had some like gold filigree accents in there and like his name and badge number. And it's just a really fun wrap to do.
This was the first time we've ever done a full wrap at the show.
Yes, we did do a full wrap from start to finish.
Usually we like bring a car that's already wrapped, do some demos on it, but this was like start to finish, full wrap.
Yep. Also, we like barely even made it there. There was this whole fiasco with our planes and we had a canceled flight that we were still getting notifications for.
Yeah.
So we like woke up the morning of at like 6 a.m. thinking that our plane was leaving at 3 p.m. and I get a text message from the airport saying, oh, your plane leaves in an hour and a half.
For some reason, we woke up at 6 a.m. and so
we were not packed. We did not have the house ready. We did not write checks yet. Like, it was a whole fiasco. We made it onto the plane with minutes to spare. And P.S., I forgot our tool bags, the one thing I need to do demos. So we had to overnight those. That was super sketchy. But we made it out. We had a lot of fun. Of course, there was quite a few scooter accidents.
Always.
There's always scooter accidents. A couple people break things, crack their head open, things like that.
There's so much fun though.
We have too much fun.
Yeah.
The 16-bit arcade, that was like the really cool hangout spot that week, I feel like.
We went there like 3 or 4 times, I feel like, while we were there.
Yeah. We had to hang out with a bunch of our Wrap family from around the US, actually around the world. So always a fun time to go to Wrapscon. If you guys want to look up the NVM show, they have quite a few different shows throughout the year. Next year, Wrapscon is supposed to be back at Long Beach. Cross your fingers. All of them. I can't. Because that's where the real party's at.
I think looks like a gang sign or something.
But yeah, check it out. We hope you enjoy. Vinyl Vixen, Team Wrapsesh, here at Wrapscon Indianapolis 2022, one of my favorite shows to attend. We are here at the Muto America booth, right at the front entrance of the show. Make sure you guys come and see us if you come over this way. We're going to be wrapping this full BMW Z4, a really cool patriotic, full custom printed wrap. Here's our demo schedule right here. We're doing 3 demos a day, all 3 days. Come and check us out. We hope to see you guys.
Say something, something, 'cause we don't talk about nothing no more. No, nothing, nothing. Do you not care about nothing no more? So if you're fighting,
watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our wrap adventure to Wrapscon Indianapolis 2022. Hopefully we'll be at Long Beach next year for Wrapscon.
Supposedly.
Yep. And if you want to keep up with the daily vibe, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok at Wrapsesh AZ or Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And if you want to rap, you can email us or come by wrapseshaz@gmail.com.
Yeah.
And if you want to see this awesome galaxy moon,
The moon?
things, outer space wrap done, make
That's
sure
a
you keep up.
full moon right there.
That's a full moon. Super moon. Okay, bye.
Later.
Bye.